Guess what? You don't need a website for your business. While a website is good to have because it lets people know that you have a presence bigger than what they see on your social media, in essence, a website is very disruptive and distracting, especially for a cold audience. A website is just too busy. There's too much going on. There's too much stuff for people to see, click, do, and read that by the time they get to your offer, they forgot why they were on your website in the first place. Instead, what you need is a one-pager that tells people to do one thing, and that's enter their name and email to get your offer. That way you can build your list as well as build that know, like, and trust factor, and you can take people from cold to sold in no time. If you want more tips like this, please join my Facebook group, EZ, Facebook Ad Strategies for Network Marketers. And if you're already in my group, stay plugged in for more tips like this. I am Cecilia Faye Morris, the Digital Marketing Maven. The link is above or below this video or in my bio.